Good morning. Well, we just got this car in and I wanted to show it to everybody. It's a 2004 Ford Thunderbird. It's called Monterey Mist Green. The car has 13,800 miles on it. It has the hardtop with it. They were V8s, they were 3.9s. They have around 280 horse. They're very dependable cars. This car is beautiful. It doesn't need anything. It's local. The interior is perfect. It's a great color. Love it with the old school hardtop on it. It looks great. Let me just show you the interior of it. It's cloth and leather in the interior. See the old school portholes. So you see the cloth on the inside and leather. It's in beautiful condition. It really is a really nice car. Doesn't need anything. It's serviced up to date. Show you the door panels. Just a fun car. Great for seasoning the convertible. You know, we're just a few months away from that, but if anybody has any interest in this car, it has both keys, it has the books with it, it has all the records with it. It's just an unmolested, no paint work, beautiful car. Don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, it's a 2004 Thunderbird. It's called Monterey Mist Green with 13,800 miles. And I hope everybody's having a great day.